Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, as you saw, I'm going to be showing you how to bedazzle this super adorable Bratzie, guys. I did get a dupe and I was like, you know what, might as well bedazzle her. Let's see how she comes out. As you saw, she came out super cute. Guys, I already showed you how to bling 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽. I showed you guys how to bling a crybaby, guys. It's pretty much the same thing if you have seen those videos. If you have not, keep on watching and I'm gonna walk you step by step, guys. Let's begin with some materials. I have my liquid fusion right here in my applicator bottle. I have my pickup tool and I am starting off with some AB yellow rhinestones. As you guys can see here, these are in a size SS6 and this is a SS12. As I move on more on the Bratzie, I will show you guys additional rhinestones that I will be using. Remember, all materials are always linked down below in the description, as well as any links I might have. Let's begin. So guys, here she is. I have AB yellow rhinestones because I want to actually use these for her blonde hair, guys. I think it would be a nice pop with a little AB tone. So this is what I'm going to do first, her hair, guys. So I'm going to kind of push the hair out of the way with my finger just to make things easier. Like that. So guys, I have my rhinestones. This is going to be the main size. I do have the smaller size for any fill-in areas I might have, or like for these edges that are very, very thin. So guys, my liquid fusion and my pickup tool, guys. Again, I am starting off at the hair and I'm going to do the edge first, okay? So with my liquid fusion, I'm going to do a thin line in a small area. This is where I'm going to start off. And then I'm going to apply the rhinestone space on the sides, okay? So, as you guys can see that, this is going to cover her hair. That's why I'm using yellow rhinestones. For this tiny edge, obviously, this bigger size is not gonna fit. So I'm going in with the smaller size. You guys see that? First edge is done, guys. Moving on to the rest of the hair, I'm gonna do the outline first, like I said. Same thing, guys. Same thing, guys. Very simple, guys, and I'm just gonna continue until I reach this edge. Okay, so now that I am done doing the edge, I'm gonna finish the rest of the hair, filling it in, doing row by row, kind of doing the same thing edge by edge until I reach the ends of the hair. Okay guys, so I am done doing the hair. This is how she looks so far. As you guys can see, I did fill in the edges. Very simple, guys. Make sure everything is where you want it to be. She is looking super cute, guys. Now I'm going to do the rest of her, which is the face and the hands, guys. And for that, I'm actually going to be using transparent rhinestones, guys, and these are in the size SS6. Okay, so guys, this is the only size I'm going to be using for her hands and her face. Okay, she's looking super cute, guys, and the reason why I want to use those is because I feel like you can see the details on her better. It is very small areas, guys, so yeah, I just wanted to pop, you know, with the tiny rhinestones. It's up to you, whatever size you want to use, but I would suggest to use transparent rhinestones so you can see the details, her eyes and everything, you know, her little nail polish. So cute, guys. So yeah, so while I'm letting her hair dry, I'm actually going to be working on her feet, guys. So it gives us some time to dry, you know. Okay, guys, so now that I'm working on the foot, I do like to use the back tip of the pickup tool this side because it's just thinner and I can see the tiny little rhinestones better. What I do is I just apply a tiny bit of glue on there, whatever glue I'm using. In this case, I am using Liquid Fusion, and then I let it dry for a bit, and then it just becomes like sticky and tacky, and I can just pick up those rhinestones very easily, guys. So I'm gonna go in, apply a nice thin layer of Liquid Fusion as close as I can to the top of the foot. And then I'm just gonna go in with my rhinestones, guys. I'm gonna do a line around the whole foot, starting from the top, working my way to the bottom. Again, working by sections. Okay, so now that I'm done bedazzling around the foot, now look at that, I went all the way around. Now I'm going to do the bottom of the foot, and here I'm going to start at the edge and then work my way to the middle. Okay, so I am done bedazzling the bottom of the foot. Look at that. She's all blingy. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. Okay, guys, so now that I am done with the feet, look at that. All her little feet are bedazzled. I'm gonna move on to the hands, doing the same thing. I'm gonna work my way from the top edge that's next to the fur to the outer part where her fingers are. Just going in circles, guys, until I'm done filling them in. Very simple, guys. Remember to try to push the fur out of the way so it makes it easier for you. And remember to also work by sections. Okay, so I'm done doing this hand. I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. Okay, so now it is time to move on to the face, guys. Again, if you guys don't want to bling her hands, you don't have to. I just feel like I might as well bedazzle all of her, guys. But she does look super adorable just with her hair like that, right? You can just do the hair if you want, optional guys. But if you do want to bling her face, keep on watching and I'm going to show you how, guys. So I am still using my SS6 rhinestones, guys. That's what I'm going to be using for the whole face. I'm going to go in and bedazzle her lips first, and then her eyes, and then I'm just going to fill in her face, guys, just to make things easier, you know, and kind of go with the flow of her face features. So I'm going to do the lips first. I'm going to apply liquid fusion, kind of like if I was applying like lip gloss or something, you know. Her lips do look super adorable, guys. I love the color. That. And I'm just gonna fill them in with the rhinestones. Now that I am done, I'm gonna go in, do her eyes, guys. For the eyes, I'm kind of following the shape of like her eyelids and stuff, and I'm gonna fill it in like that. So I'm gonna apply the glue just right at the edge of the eyeshadow. She has a layer of eyeshadow. That's what I'm going and filling in. Like that, and I'm just gonna continue to fill it on this side, and I'm gonna fill it in the middle. Okay, so now that I'm done with this eye, I'm going to do the same thing to this one. Okay, so now that I am done doing the other eye, guys, look, she looks super cute, right? I'm going to fill in the rest of her face. I'm going to do the edge around her face first, and then I'm going to slowly fill her in until I reach like the edges of her hair. So again, I'm going to be trying to push the hair out of the way with my finger like this, so it's not so much in the way while I'm bedazzling her. Still using my SS6 rhinestones, guys. Working by sections as well. So I'm gonna go all the way around. Okay, so I went all around and did that edge, guys. Can you guys see it? Like right next to the hair. And now I'm just going to continue doing row by row. Like I said, filling her in until I reach the top, guys. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I brought it all together. I'm just about done. I'm just making sure I can fill it in as much as I can. And there's some gaps that are pretty small that the rhinestones did not fit. I just left it alone. Move the rhinestones around a bit just to like give it more of a full look. And that's it. So like right here, you can see the rhinestones don't fit anymore. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So guys, I am done. Look at that. So I'm gonna let her completely dry and then I'll be back to show you guys the final results, okay? Okay guys, so I am done. Look at her. She looks so cute. I let her completely dry, guys. Look at, I even bedazzled the bottle. I did the same thing, guys, still using the same rhinestones as well, working by sections. I just thought it would look super cute bedazzled as well. But yeah guys, look at her. She looks so cute. Like I said, if you want to just leave the hair just to that, I think that looks so adorable as well. But you know, I was like, might as well bedazzle her completely, guys. So yeah, I love it. These are transparent rhinestones, so you can still see her like rosy cheeks, her eyes, where her eyelashes are, her eyeshadow, her lipstick. I mean, you can see it all, guys. Her little nail polish on her fingers. She looks adorable, guys. So I hope you did enjoy this video and learned a little something. Now you know how to bedazzle your own little Bratzie, guys. Let me know what you think. Leave me a lovely comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more crafts, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.